Today, we're putting ChatGPT to the test. Can it write a simple TradingView indicator? Stick around because I'll walk you through building basic indicators with ChatGPT and show you how to troubleshoot errors quickly. Let's dive in. Open the Pine Script editor in TradingView. This is where the magic happens. Click the arrow next to the indicator name and select Create New Indicator. Now, we'll expand our script so we can drop in the example from ChatGPT. For this demo, we'll write a script that spots a specific chart pattern. The rule is simple. When we see 4 or more consecutive green candles, we draw a line starting from the last green candle's close. That line will extend to the right, using candles as our anchor points. When I write prompts into ChatGPT, I'm not exactly winning any grammar awards. I'll misspell words, throw in the wrong punctuation, and sometimes my prompt is basically one giant, unbreathable paragraph. But here's the beauty of ChatGPT. It takes my hot mess of a prompt and somehow turns it into something halfway decent. Sure, there's always room for improvement, but for the sheer time it saves me, yeah, it's been awesome. My exact prompt used is, write a Pine Script V6 indicator that will detect whenever there is 4 or more consecutive green candles. Whenever the first red appears after this grouping, draw a line starting from the last green candle's close. Extend the line 25 candles to the right on the chart. Start to count 10 candles after this line is drawn. If any of the 10 candles crosses and closes above the line, draw a label that says breakout. Now we let ChatGPT do its thing. The beauty of this tool is that it helps us get more done in less time than ever before. Sure, I could write most, if not all, of this code myself, but if ChatGPT can speed up the process, why wouldn't I use it? Just 40 seconds later, and we've got our script. Now we can review it, check out ChatGPT's notes, and even ask it to break down each line of code for our own reference. Remember, if you still don't understand what you're looking at, just ask ChatGPT for a breakdown. One thing I love about AI is that you can ask question after question and get quick answers. Of course, it's always smart to check multiple sources, but we can all see where this is headed, and it's already proving helpful for so many. Now we can take the code snippet from ChatGPT and paste it into our Pine editor. Once it's in, we'll review it for any errors. In the top right corner of the editor, there's a small window that displays errors in red and yellow. If you spot any, you can use this to jump straight to the issue and start troubleshooting. Find the error in the script and hover over it. Sometimes you'll see a suggestion that can help. I'm familiar with some of the common mistakes ChatGPT makes when writing Pine Script, so I'll fix this one manually. Don't worry, I'll share the full corrected script at the end of this video so you can copy it. The same error occurs below. Remember, if you have any questions, we have a free Discord where traders can join our team. I trade live Monday through Friday, walking you through setups in real time. If you're not sure how to fix an error, you can always copy the error message and paste it into ChatGPT. More often than not, it can identify the problem and offer a solution. I found ChatGPT 5 to be a solid upgrade from previous versions. While there are still a few hiccups when writing in Pine, it's proven very useful for basic applications. In just seconds, ChatGPT found a solution to our error and provided a full plug-and-play script. Now, all we have to do is copy and paste it into Pine. Then we'll recheck for any errors, fix the common mistakes, and test our code. Give your script a name, save it, and now we can apply it to the chart. This chart example on XPON should give us the signal we're looking for. Once we apply it to the chart, we should see a line and label appear according to our logic. Now we can click Add to Chart. You'll notice we've got another error shown next to the indicator name on the chart. If we hover over it, we can see the error message. The lazy man's way of handling this? Take a screenshot and paste it directly into ChatGPT. Most of the time, it can break down the image and give solid feedback on how to fix the error. Keeping it super simple, all we have to do is copy and paste the new script into the Pine editor, fix a few common mistakes, and apply the update to the chart. I'll post the full script in our free Discord community for anyone to copy. Feel free to use it as a reference or share it with others to help keep the education going. Now, all we have to do is apply it to the chart and check the results. Great. It looks like it's working. From here, we can start tweaking things like line size, line color, user settings, and more. We can also break down this working script to better understand how it functions and even add other signals or adjust settings to match our specific strategy. I'll adjust the label so it displays correctly on the chart and I'll fine-tune the script settings until I get the look I want. Feel free to reach out anytime if you have questions. I went ahead and fixed the label position. In this example, I treat the line as an area of value. If the price is above it, we can consider it bullish. If the price is below, it acts as resistance. We can change the line color directly in the code or even ask ChatGPT to make it change dynamically based on our logic. We can also adjust the line thickness, how far it extends, and more. Let's go ahead and change the logic to check for 3 consecutive green candles instead of 4. This will naturally produce more signals. From there, we can shape our strategy around our trade statistics and make better informed decisions moving forward. ChatGPT even added user inputs in the settings so we can control how far the line extends to the right and how many consecutive candles we want to check for. This is great because it means we don't have to dive back into the code every time we want to tweak the settings. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know by liking and commenting. It really helps me understand what our community wants. Until next time, stay bullish, my friends. Remember, trading isn't about being perfect. It's about being prepared. If you're serious about improving and want to learn directly from our live sessions, visit bullishboblive.com. We're live Monday to Friday, walking through setups, strategies, and everything in between. Thanks again for watching. Stay focused, stay sharp, and keep growing.